All right, AJ, thanks. Here's a look at what's ahead at 5:30, preparing students for the medical field. How a new program coming to Maria College aims to achieve just that. And how a new program coming to Maria College this fall is hoping to educate students in a growing medical field and fill healthcare positions here in the Capital Region. I'm taking you inside the surgical technology program in today's Wellness Watch. A true surgical suite like this is what students at Maria College can come to expect this fall if they enroll in the school's new surgical technology program. And if you're thinking, wait, what is a surgical tech? Well, you're not alone.
I actually had no idea this job was a thing.
That's Kyle Markumis, who now is a surgical tech at St. Peter's Hospital. When it comes to surgeries, he serves as one of the doctor's right-hand men.
I'm sterilely scrubbed in with them, and I help pass instrumentation that they need for the case and what might follow.
Those who work in healthcare say it's a growing field.
What we've also seen since 2015 is an expansion to specialized surgery centers that also require people to work in this role.
St. Peter's Health Partners has partnered with Maria College for this program. St. Peter's has about 10 to 12 people working in this position, but they're looking to hire another 4 or 5.
So really the surgical technologist role is a difficult one for us to fill. It's one that we have constant vacancies for.
As part of their partnership with Maria College, St. Peter's will look to hire those students after they finish the program, and students will get hands-on experience in these ORs.
They'll be able to really learn in that hands-on environment. That's a true environment. That's not, not that there's anything wrong with simulation, but it's not a simulation environment.
Maria is looking to enroll at least 10 students for the program. It's 68 credits and can be completed in about 2 years. And that's something that appeals to many interested in entering healthcare.
This is a great entry-level job where 2 years of education, New York State requires an associate's degree, and you have to pass a board-certified test. And after that, it got my foot in the door and realized that I can do it.
Well, if you're interested in enrolling in the program, we have a link and a phone number with more information on our website, cbs6albany.com. Just click on this story.